The ability to create shipping labels in batches in Ordoro helps to streamline your shipping process so you can focus on growing your business. With the ability to create presets and automatically apply them via our shipping rules, you can set your orders up so that their labels are ready to be created as soon as they import. However, if you need to make any updates to them in bulk, you can do that as well via our bulk update options. This tutorial will demonstrate how to apply bulk updates and create your labels in batches. So right now we're taking a look at a set of 10 awaiting fulfillment orders. With these orders, I already have a lot of the information set, but let's say I want to do some bulk updates. If I select all 10 orders, you'll see the bulk shipping option shipping label panel pulls up over here. So I can apply a preset to all of these. I can update the shipping configuration. This is the carrier, package type, and shipping method. I can modify the weight, and I can modify the dimensions. So if I needed to override all of these, I could do that like this, or maybe it's just a couple of them I need to modify the weight for or the dimensions or something like that. I can select a couple, set the weight to something new, click Update Orders, and that's going to update the weight for both of these orders. And so when I'm done with all of the bulk updates or modifications, I can just select the batch of orders and hit Create Labels. So what it's going to do is it's going to create this mixed batch of labels here. And then once they're finished creating, I will see that I have 10 labels that can be printed. I can show the logo on the label, attach the packing list. I can set all my printing options here. If you've already set printing options, these are what we call sticky, which means this is going to set automatically as what you had it set as last time. So you don't have to worry about modifying this every time. But if you do need to change it, go for it. And once that's ready, just hit print. You'll be able to print those labels out and get them out the door. If you have any other questions about our bulk update options, creating labels in bulk, anything like that, definitely reach out to us. You'll see here it got all these guys loaded up with my print options. And that's it. Like I said, let us know if you have any questions about bulk update options or anything else in general. Thanks for watching.